Ansible, the ultimate configuration management tool. Ansible is a popular open-source configuration management tool that is used to automate the management of IT infrastructure. It was developed by Michael DeHaan in 2012 and is now maintained by the Ansible community. How it works. Ansible works by using a simple, declarative language to define the desired state of IT infrastructure. It then automates the process of configuring and managing that infrastructure to ensure that it matches the desired state. Ansible uses SSH to communicate with remote machines and can be used to manage both Linux and Windows environments. Step-by-step guide to use in production. Number 1. Install Ansible on your server. Number 2. Create an inventory file that lists the servers you want to manage. Number 3. Create a playbook file that defines the desired state of your infrastructure. Number 4. Run the playbook using the Ansible playbook command to configure your infrastructure. Number 5. Monitor your infrastructure to ensure that it matches the desired state. Use cases and best practices. Ansible is used extensively in DevOps environments for automating the configuration and management of IT infrastructure. Best practices for using Ansible include using roles to organize playbook code, using variables to make playbooks reusable, and using Ansible Galaxy to share and reuse roles. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.